for you. It go like oh, Ray, me, fa. So fucking done with you, girl. So fucking done with all the
Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this episode, I will be showing you guys how to make free intro or outro not really templates, but just videos so you can add into your video, into your actual video. So you have a decent looking, professional-ish type of, intro. So first off, you want to go right here and then type in panzoid.com. Now, I'll have a link in the description. You guys can just click it, or you could type it in if you want to. Then you want to go to the clip maker, and then from here you can choose one, or you can create your own. I would probably choose one because it's really hard to create one by your own. So if you press here, then you can just scroll through all the different types of intros and stuff like that. And then you can search one random. So I'll just do, I'll just choose one from here. Let's do this legend one. Alright? And if you want to preview it before you start editing it, press this little eye looking icon, and then press play. Alright guys, I don't really like that one, so I will choose this one right here. Why not? Like. That's what it says. And my ad blocker is turned off, so hold on. Alright, so all these ads should go away here in just a few seconds. Alright. I'd also recommend getting Ad Blocker Plus. So you ready? You press the I. Alright guys, so I think that one's decent. So what I'll do is, that was probably really loud too. So I'll go right here and then go down until you see comment, like, and stuff like that. And this is an outro template, so you could keep it the same if you'd like. I'll try to find a intro. So let's do your name. Let's not do that one. Hold on. Name. Alright guys, here, I'll just do this intro one just because it's easy. Hopefully, and promise you you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Alright guys, so this one should be a little bit better. So now you want to find where it says you'll catch me. Intro. So you want to go down and you see I, you type whatever letter you want there. For this, I'll just X out of all of these groups except O. And I'll show you guys why here in just a few seconds. Alright. And you want to type in your channel name. Mine's Dragon Mods, so I can copy all this and then paste it just like that, and I'll do it right here too. Alright, let's go to 1. Promise you you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. As you can see, it is a little big. So if you go to it and you change the height, I go normally 15 just because my channel name is really long. So as you can
Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
So now what you want to do is go right here, and you would normally mine's 1080p by 60 FPS. This is 16 seconds long. I'd recommend a 10-second long one just so people don't click off the video because of how long your intro is. I've seen people do that. I'd normally do good quality. It takes a few minutes. For this, I'll just do balanced. I do choose the .mkv, and I'll change that to an MP4 later. Or my editing software will allow me to use this file. I still change it anyways. And you would start video render. This will be done in about 4 minutes. So I'll see you guys then. Okay guys, I'm back. The download is actually finished now. And you would get this when you're done. It says download your video. Your render is finished. Click below to download. You'd press download your video. And you'd wait for this to pop up. And it's pretty much a video.mkv. And I'm just going to save it to my desktop. Now, I will show you how to change it in another video if you want to know how to change this into an MP4. Just leave a comment if you'd like to find out how to do this. But this video was just about making the video, or the intro. You can do this with outros too, the same exact way. But enough with me talking. I'm actually going to show you guys the complete version.
Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me. Promise that you'll catch me.
Okay guys, that was the full video that you just created using panzoid.com. I'm gonna remind you guys that I will leave the link to the video, or to panzoid.com, in the description. And you know that's about it for this episode. Make sure you like and subscribe, and as always, stay cool.